This is crazy. Yo, them must have enjoyed them. Slow down. I want one, this is not it. Wow.
2 man, 2.
2 woman. Oh, let's go, girls.
This film shovel. He do not know.
Them polite though. Polite people, you know. Guys, you see what we got, guys? Look at this, man. They just cleared the road, man. Just clearing the road here, guys. That's crazy.
At least this
all these kids
clean.
Yeah, at least in clean neighborhood now.
Okay, we are going down on the lake shore.
Come to Canada, bro. Wow. Them people who don't have nothing clean as snow can live in a building. Alright.
That's the good thing about it.
Them. For them.
Three hours later.
Snow there. Couldn't go work. Place block up, so guess what? What time now? About 1:30, so I make you side. Awesome. But a cold though. Cold.
These are the illness.
Did you see the hill?
Come on here, sir. Where we go? See, outside that the ill. That the ill? Is that the ill? Huh?
Yeah.
So we walk here. Come.
Watch out. No, you're good. Over there. Then I'll go now, go on. Yeah. I'm putting this aside just in case.
Not sure.
Yeah.
You want to go back to it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now go back to the car and take care, okay? Yeah, come here and stop.
No, sir. Alright.
Alright, here. You want this? You want the gloves?
Good job, Papa.
Alright,
Good
Mr.
job.
I can't.
You guys can go what is sliding?
Right here.
There's only two? Yes, on the thing.
Come make some snowy angels now.
I can't get up.
Alright, Miss Sue, come,
You mean you
okay?
can't get up?
Alright, I'm out. Tisha, watch out, okay? Yeah, go get the car. Okay? Yeah, I'm back.
Your hands are cold, right? Can I get my gloves?
Now the car?
Yeah, go get the car. I'm parked right there, so.
Alright, you guys need to make it to the top of the hill. Come get it.
We're gonna take turns.
SpongeBob SquarePants, big guy, big guy, big guy.
Well, when you have kids, you know? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, watch out, baby. Come for me. Come.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Yes. No, Jackson slowed himself down. He slowed himself down.
Gloves.
Like this. Yeah, nine, I can't just find it. Watch outside.
Nah, we'll get the other one. Look! He's gonna do it. Ready, Sasha? Yeah. It wasn't recording.
Yeah. Go.
Okay, guys, it's about to get real. You guys are gonna come sliding down with the hill with me, and it's gonna be real fun. But these hills, they are so like slippery. Yeah, my sister's about to go, so I gotta wait for her. 3, 2. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go first. See, this is right.
Hi guys. Hello.
Ready? I'm scared.
Right next to the line.
Okay. I'm honestly so scared. 3. That's my move. No, die. Wait, you gotta wait. Ready? 3. This thing. There's so much wind.
Guys, it's really hard. Guys, you should go down this one.
Ready? 3.
Go down this
And I
one.
can help me.
Go down this one.
Help. No, like, flip it this way. Like, flip it this way.
Go on this one.
3, 2, 1. Oh, shit.
Okay, I'm gonna make you get it. You go now. Come.
Oh, can I have that one?
Yeah.
Guys, we're going to be going up the hill. And it's kind of hard to go up. So, you know. We're going to try to not get hurt. Yeah. So, we're up here now. And you can see. So, I'm going to go. So, guys. I'm going right now. 3, 2, 1.
You okay?
Yeah.
Easy to sneak up on me, man.
Okay, no, that was fun. Oh my god. Are you okay? You okay?
I have to sit on it. Watch out, watch out, watch out. You like that? Going again?
No. You should have fun.
Easy, okay?
Mommy, the other one broke. The other one broke? Did anybody not catch that? Did you?
Yeah.
But it looks like she love it, see?
Watching too, you know? No?
Oh.
It's 1 year, you know? Zai, Zai. To get cold.
It's so much fun. I'm literally so scared. Wait, what's that? These hills are so slippery. Oh my gosh. Whew. So, I gotta wait for someone to bring me up a sled. But while we're waiting for one of my sisters in Luxford, enjoy the view. You guys should come here. Recommend it. Right beside Square One. I love it here. Can I try? Quick. Oh, this one's gonna be extreme. Are you guys ready? Cause I am scared.
Hi. It's fun, but they're gonna get cold sometimes.
Okay. Excuse me. 2, 1. Ah! Oh shit, this one's a bit kind of slow. Yay! That was really fun. Woo.
You alright, Zizi? Those fish are really coming down. Oh,
Yeah.
that's it.
What should I gear?
What's your joke, you know?
Uh-oh.
Let's see. I will step it over.
Come, push. Yeah, push.
At least you try.
Now you gotta go one by yourself.
Holy. You guys made it.
That's why I said I'm not doing it.
No.
That's crazy.
No. Felicia, you're brave. You're brave. I'm not feeling for this.
Stop. Are you finished?
No, making go again. You like it, but you know.
He's just getting mad.
Yeah, because that lump. It's the lump, right, Jackson? Yeah, it's
That
the love.
bugging you?
All right, go again, buddy. Watch out, watch out. Zai. Hmm? Whoa. She fell. Holy. So yeah guys, this is what it is, you know. Scroll through the city, come out, no matter what time it is, man. This is life. Whoa, that guy is good. Whoa. He's actually sick with it. Woo. Hey, you're making me look bad, man. Yeah, you're too good. Oh, man's just moonwalking, guys. Where you learn to skate like that? Seems like you're a pro. Like,
I mean, I do lessons.
oh,
so
you
I do
really?
competitions and everything, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Thanks.
You have a page, like?
No, I don't, but
You should.
thanks.
Yeah, because you're pretty good.
Not today. I can't do my combo spins or anything.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it seems good to me.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Guys, she said she's a coach, guys. Like she actually like coach people out to skate. So that's pretty good. The way she was moving, man, like woo, her balance was good too. It's pretty good. Well guys, it's getting cold. I've been here for a minute, so been out, you know, all day. So it's a wrap. And if you guys, you know, reach this far in the video, please, man, leave a like, leave a thumbs up. You know? And take care of yourself, be safe, and enjoy the rest of your day. I'll give you some more skating. Good, bro.